Welcome to another video on the C programming video series for the beginners. In this video, we will talk about the concept of variables. The concept of variables is the most important topic in all the programming languages, and having a better understanding of this is really helpful. Now, when we write the programs, in that program, we have to store information or data. We have to retrieve that information. We have to perform some calculations. And then again, we have to store the results. Now, in order to store the information, we will use variables. Now, in this video, I want you guys to visualize the variables as boxes. In real world, we can see many types of boxes. The boxes come with different shape. They can be square or round, and they will have different length and width. Now, every box is designed in order to store certain type of item. For example, a shoe box can store a pair of shoe. Similarly, a box designed to store a television can store a television. Similarly, there are boxes designed to store a laptop or a smartphone. Now here, the thing is, we have different types of boxes. Now every box has a purpose, and they can contain certain type of item. Now let us say we have two boxes which are designed for storing the shoes. One box is designed to store the shoe of a kid. The second box is designed to store the shoe of an adult. Now in the box which is designed to store the shoe of an adult, we can store the shoe of a kid, but it will be waste of some space. At the same time, we can't store the shoe of an adult in a box which is designed for storing the shoe of a kid, because the shoe of an adult is larger than the box which is designed to store the shoe of the kid. So just think about it, visualize it, understand that there are different types of boxes, and in every box we can store certain type of item. Now let us say we have 25 shoe boxes. Now in order to identify the boxes, we have to label them. So maybe shoe of Anil, or maybe shoe of Jojamma, something like that. Here we are labeling the boxes so that we can identify them. Now the next thing is box content. The boxes can contain some item, or they may be empty. Now once we have the boxes, we need to know where those boxes are stored. Some of the boxes may be stored in the kitchen. Some of the boxes may be stored in the storeroom. Some may be stored in the bedroom racks. So every box will have an address. Now every box will have its own type. For example, boxes designed for shoes, boxes designed for storing the TV, for storing the laptop, etc. Every box has to be labeled so that we can identify them. And then the boxes can be empty, or they can contain the item, and the boxes will have the address. This address is nothing but where the boxes are kept. Now similar to this, in programming, in order to store the information, we will use the variables. Variables are nothing but the boxes which are used to store the information. Now here, I just want you guys to visualize about the variables as boxes. In the next video, we will visualize these boxes in terms of computer memory. So this is it guys for this particular video. I hope you guys have learned something from this. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.